Hello, my lovely peaceful parents. What am I doing in your podcast feed on a Thursday? I wanted to make sure that you know about a free workshop that I'm giving that's coming up next week. I have not given this workshop since last year, so I'm super excited that it's back. And it is all about our third big idea in peaceful parenting. So our first big idea is self-regulation. Our second big idea is focus on connection and the relationship. And our third big idea is kind, firm limits without punishment. This is often the one that gets people a little bit tripped up. They're like, how do I get kids to cooperate if I'm not going to use the conventional parenting tools of, yelling or threats or timeouts? Or maybe you wonder, you already know that you don't want to use those because you see how your kids respond, or maybe you were raised that way and you don't want to do that. But what do you do instead? When you're a peaceful parent and you drop out one set of tools, you drop out the tools of conventional parenting, you have to replace them with something else. And so what is that something else? It's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this free workshop on peaceful discipline. So how do you get kids to do X, Y, or Z, or how do you get them to stop doing A, B, or C without using those conventional parenting tools? Because let's face it, we still do need our kids to cooperate, right? A lot of people wonder, well, how do I get them to cooperate without using those things? Or they only listen to me if I yell or if I threaten to take something away. Listen, it really is possible, and I will show you how in this free workshop. So go to sarahrosensweet.com/free workshop. That's sarahrosensweet.com/free workshop. We have 2 times to choose from. One of the times is on Wednesday, February 22nd at 8 p.m. Eastern. And the other time is going to be Friday, February 24th at 12 p.m. Eastern. 2 times and days to choose from. If you can't make it, and if you sign up, I will send you the recording. Although if you are on the workshop live, you'll get a chance to ask me a question. I stick around and try and answer all of the questions. And also there are a couple special offers that you might want to be on live for. So please join us for this peaceful discipline workshop where we are going to really dive deeply into how to get kids to cooperate in a peaceful way. So that's sarahrosensweet.com/free workshop. Okay, I hope to see you at the workshop, and then we'll see you again next week for our regularly scheduled podcast.